there, and welcome to Thrive Yoga and Wellness and Thrive Online. My name is Jennifer Dixon, and today I'm going to give you one quick tip to help with your yoga practice. So, how many times have you struggled to get that foot forward when you're transitioning from a downward facing dog to, say, like a warrior one? I'm going to give you one quick tip that should help you to be able to get that foot forward when you're cued to come into warrior one. So let's go ahead and get started. We're going to be in a downward facing dog position. Now, when you want to go towards a warrior one, if that foot, you sometimes have to drag that foot forward. That's sometimes a matter of openness in your hips, but it also can be a matter of strength in your core. So let me give you one quick tip on how you can boost that a little bit. Just improve it just a little bit. So I'm going to cue warrior one on the right. So before I pick up that right foot, I'm going to plant the left foot down like in a warrior one position. That's going to help me to push off a little bit more to be able to get those feet a little bit closer. Again, I'll demonstrate it from the other direction. So I'm going to cue warrior one on the left. Rather than just swinging the leg up and then swinging it forward using momentum and possibly hurting yourself, I say we use our strength, right? So warrior one on the left, we're going to ground the right foot down just like in a warrior one foot in the back, and then pick up that left foot using the momentum from that foot being down on the ground, that heel pushing off. So if it even comes up, that's okay. That is possibly all the extra oomph you need for the hips to make room for that foot to come forward so you can come into your warrior one. Go ahead, give it a shot the next time you're in a practice. You're going to ground the back foot down like it's already in warrior one, and then help push it off like you were walking or taking a step or even running. You have to push off from the heel. That's going to help to lift the hips, and it should create just enough space to see if you can get that foot just a little bit further up. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you learned something new, and I can't wait to see you again next week. Take care. Bye-bye.